Hey, what's up, everybody? If you're like me, when you updated to Windows 11, you were a little bit thrown off guard and annoyed at this whole um, start menu situation down here. So we're going to go into our taskbar and you're going to right click it and just go to taskbar settings. This is really easy to fix, so don't stress out. Okay, first thing that probably threw you off was the fact that it's in the middle now. Kind of annoying. To me, it's really annoying. So first things first, let's get rid of that first. So on the bottom here, again, you are right clicking, going to taskbar settings, and you're going to the bottom here where it says taskbar behaviors. From here, the very first thing, taskbar alignment, change that from center to left. Look, it's where it belongs. All right, scroll back up to the top of this. I do not want to view my tasks. I do not want to view some stupid widgets, and I definitely don't want to see a search box. So hide, off, 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 off. If you like the search box, that's great. You could do a search icon. You could do any combination of the two, but I want it to look exactly like it looked like before. Gosh darn it. And that's it. So super easy to fix. Have fun.